How to get rid of mucus and phlegm in your chest and throat as fast as possible. Do you ever find yourself congested with a phlegmy cough at night? Or feel sharp pains in your chest when you are lying down? Do you want to get rid of this feeling and have healthy lungs again? There are many natural chest congestion remedies out there, but this one is designed specifically to clear your lungs of mucus. Syrup to remove mucus from lungs. Ingredients: 1 cup of pure maple syrup, 250 milliliters, a little over 1 cup of filtered water, 1 organic lemon, sliced, 1 tablespoon flaxseed, 1 tablespoon sage, 1 tablespoon marshmallow root. Directions: in a small saucepan, combine maple syrup and water. Place this mixture on a medium heat for about 10 minutes. Add the remaining ingredients. Lower the heat, and keep on the stove for 15 minutes. Store the syrup in the refrigerator. Take 1 tablespoon 3 times a day, until you notice an improvement.